It's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about how you, even with bad credit, can get approved for a $2,000 credit card. Now, there is going to be a trick to this, and a lot of people don't even know the trick. They just think, my credit's so bad, I can't get a credit card. And I'm like, okay, hey, you could probably start off with this trick to get to a $2,000 credit card. And I thought about this based off of a comment that I got. So let's look at that comment. So the comment said, do I need to be a member of Navy Federal Credit Union in order to get a $200 secured credit card? If not, can I apply for it online? Because they don't have the bank in Tallahassee, Florida. Thanks for all that you do. One more thing. Does the card automatically graduate to $2,000, or do they look at your credit score and your yearly income? So there's a few things. The card that I am going to talk to you guys about is the Navy Federal Secure Credit Card. Now, hear me out before some of y'all may leave. This credit card, if you put $200 down on it, it's going to graduate to a $2,000 credit card in 6 months. Now, they ask, is this going to be automatic? And let me tell you a few things about the card. So first off, if you go to my website, you will be able to see it on my website, Rickita.com. And I want you to look under the best credit cards for bad credit, because that's where you can actually see this card at. And then I'm going to show it to you guys also on their website. So let's scroll down. It's the N Reward Secure Credit Card. And here it is here. It's a full video right here. My computer is just slow. It's a full video right here for it. You can apply for it right here. And it's a free guide. This guide is going to tell you more about the credit card. And also it's going to tell you other cards that is similar to, just in case if you guys want to get approved for it, okay? And this one, they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, so you should be building your credit score up. So when it graduates to $2,000, you should have other opportunities to even get other cards at $2,000 or more. I've seen this multiple times. So let me show you a few things. So the first thing is, do you have to be a member? Yes, you do have to be a member of Navy Federal. When I got my Navy Federal account, I just asked them for a savings account first. Don't be greedy. Say, hey, I want a credit card today. I want a checking account, savings account, and I want a personal loan. Just say, hey, I want a savings account, because you can always call back after your account is set up, call back and get your account. But I just don't like to put a lot on the rep. You just say, hey, I just want to get a simple savings account. And you do have to be a member. And I qualified for the membership because I told them that my granddad was in the Navy. And he was actually in the Navy, but they never asked for any verification. She just took my word for it. And I did it, I won't say late at night, but I did do it at night. I did do it at night. I want to say it's like the late night hack, because it's not that. I did do it at night, though. When I talked to them and I got it set up, it was at night. I just remember it was dark. And then again, it's winter time, too, so it gets dark early. So keep that in mind, too. Just call them, say, hey, I just want to set up a savings account, and say they're going to ask you probably how do you qualify. I just said my granddad was in the Navy. They did not ask for any verification. Okay. And they were saying too, in order to get the secure card, would they be able to have it because they're in Tallahassee, Florida? You should still be able to get it even in Tallahassee. So I'm in Orlando. We have a few of them here in my area. So I was able to get it, but I know it's other people that was able to get it too. So you should still be able to get it. The only thing is they're going to have to ship a lot of stuff to you, which is normal anyway. So you should be fine. And when it comes down to this credit card graduating, the credit card, they're going to automatically review it, which I'm going to show you shortly, because they said they're going to start doing that reviewing process at the 3-month mark, actually. So you probably don't even have to wait until 6 months. It just depends on how you're handling your credit card. So this is the credit card. This is their website, NavyFederal.org. This is their N Reward Secure Card. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it so we can read a few things about it, because a lot of people sleep on this. But if your credit is bad and you can't get any credit cards, this one may be a great one for you, because a lot of y'all might be starting off with $300 cards anyway. Be honest with yourself. You might be starting off with a $300 credit card anyway. Why not just go ahead and put $200 down on it? And then in 6 months, when it graduates, they're going to give you $200 back anyway. And now you're going to have a $2,000 credit card. Because some people crying over a $500 card, they fighting to get that. And just imagine if you can just do this, you know, you have to save to be able to do something like this. or, it's going to be an investment within yourself, but just do it. It's going to help you out a lot. So let's go down, because you guys can pre-qualify for it without a hard inquiry. They do not have any annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, no cash advance fees, no balance transfer fees, and they're going to charge you 18% interest. But remember, with these credit cards, what we're doing is we're paying our statement balance by our due date, so we never pay any interest anyway. So that's not even a concern for us at all. Okay. So let's go down, because this is the biggest part for you all. So you want to deposit at least $200 into your membership savings account. Perfect. We know that we have to do $200 on that account. We're going to get that done. And when we're approved, they'll go ahead and set up the account. Now, they said after just 3 months, you could be eligible for an upgrade that provides you additional credit without an additional security deposit. Whether your credit limit is increased will depend on your current credit limit and other factors. Late payments, you guys, don't have any new late payments on your accounts. Make sure that you keep your balance low, be paying off your bill. I would suggest you pay it multiple times within the month. So if you was to spend $20 on here, or say if you spend $40, pay it $10, pay $10 and pay $20. That's $40 you pay 3 times within that month, and it's paid off. It just shows that you're paying on the account. It looks really good. And just make sure you don't have new negative accounts, because they're going to look at your overall credit. Okay, so after just the 3 months, they're going to try to see if you're eligible for the update. Then at 6 months, we'll review your credit card account monthly. So if you don't get it at the 3-month mark, then in 6 months, they're going to start just reviewing it monthly, okay, to see if you're eligible to have your savings account hold removed, which means that's your money coming back, and your credit card account upgraded to the cash rewards unsecured card. On-time payments and keeping your balance under the credit limit will improve your chances of your credit card being upgraded to an unsecured card. They literally tell you right now, I just told you that, pay on time and then keep your balance under the limit and keep paying multiple times. That's going to help you guys out a lot. And again, make sure that you don't have any new negative accounts on your credit report, because that's going to definitely hurt you from getting this one upgraded. And like I said, this one goes to $2,000. Now, once you in Navy Federal and this one upgrades to $2,000, I have seen people ask for increases. They'll increase it and they'll end up having $4,000, because, usually after 6 months, I'll tell people ask for an increase. Ask for an increase, because if you do that, you can go from $2,000 to $2,000 to the $4,000, and that's doubling your limit. So I definitely suggest this. A lot of people don't look at it this way, that, oh my gosh, I could technically have a $2,000 credit card in 6 months. You just have to show them, hey, listen, I understand you want to trust me. This is all you're doing. That's all you're saying to them. I understand that you don't trust me right now because of my credit. Hold this $200, and when I do good, can you please give me my money back in 6 months? Give me my $200 back in 6 months. And can you give me a $2,000 limit? That's all that you're asking them to do. And that's all they're saying they're going to be able to do for you too. And $2,000 is a limit that they go to. You can get an even higher limit also, depending on, again, asking for those increases. So definitely look into this, you guys. Again, it's a Navy Federal in Reward secure credit card. I hope that you guys get approved, and I hope that you guys take this serious, because this can be a great way this year where you can actually start having higher limit credit cards, other than the $300 and $500 credit cards that a lot of people are used to when they start to build their credit. If you guys have any questions, please go to my website, Rickita.com. Go to the top and schedule a call with me, okay? And if you guys keep getting denied, you got a lot of negative accounts, check out these dispute letters that I have. They're only $27 for a complete package, and it's 6 letters. And so if you got late payments, you need to get late payments removed. It's literally 6 letters in this package. It's only $27. Like, I'm really making sure I have these available so that you guys don't have no excuse. And if you're saying I don't have the money, guess what? I have free dispute letters right here on my website, Rickita.com. So nobody can ever tell me, oh, I didn't have the money for it, so that's why I still got the account. No, you can start off with these free dispute letters and start working to remove your negative accounts. You can even use this for bankruptcies, charge-offs, student loans, whatever it is. So it's no excuse why you still have negative things on your credit. I will definitely see you guys in the next video.